What does it take to make your affirmation work like magic? Let's have a look. Earlier this morning, I got a question, and the question was something like this. What is your opinion on affirmation? Does it work, or am I just wasting my time? And I think that's such a beautiful question. There is a lot of noise on affirmations out there, a lot of noise, a lot of videos, a lot of books. So I'm gonna go straight to the point. Affirmations work. They work because your words have power. The way you think, whether you speak them in your mind or whether you speak them out loud, creates different perspective, different perception in your mind, different pictures in your mind. And if you get emotionally involved in your mind with that picture that you create through your words, you start to cement that idea in your subconscious mind. And if you do that with repetition and more emotional involvement in it, sooner or later your unconscious mind will just take that idea and will start to work to make it real. And the picture will outpicture itself in your world. So what's the deal about affirmation? Why is it that it works for some, it doesn't work for others? Why is it that everybody has their fucking take on it? People get dependent on tools and technique, and they look at it like a fucking messiah that's gonna change their life. The reality is that it works because of the way your mind works. And so you have to see them just as a tool, but you have to understand why they work and not become dependent. What we're trying to do is change your state of consciousness and feed your consciousness, your mind, your subconscious mind especially, with the seed of that which you want to realize in your life. And how do we do that? With intentions, with thoughts, right? We create, okay, I want more money, I want followers, I want, whatever it is you want in your life, you know it. So you have a precise, clear idea of what it is that you want. And building an affirmation, whether it's a sentence, a few sentences, however much it is that it works for you, and that's so important. People use affirmations all around, the internet that people give them, but they kind of just so abstract. And they don't really create any precise picture in their life, in their mind. And this is the first trick, is that if you want something specific in your life, you have to be very clear about it. And you have to create an affirmation that when you use it, it brings that picture to mind. And it brings that feeling that gets associated to that picture. And not just rambling things that somebody gave you because it sounds good. So you have to notice that it creates a picture, the desired outcome that you want in your mind that's already done. That is the key. Because when you can imagine it in your mind, and you can get emotionally involved in it, and you can repeat that, and you can live in that state, sooner or later, you'll be surprised that it just starts to come into place, and events, people, circumstances, things will fall in place that will give you the opportunity to bring that about. So affirmation, my friends, they work. You have to bear in mind a few things I mentioned. I have one affirmation that I really love, and I'll share it with you, not for you to use it, but for you to see what I mean. Here's my affirmation in terms of work. I provide wonderful services to a lot of wonderful people for wonderful pay. And when I say that information in my mind, I have a clear picture of what that means and what that represents and the end result. But I also have a great expanding feeling of gratitude. And so that works because it's associated to that image in my mind. And that's what I want you to do. When you create an affirmation, don't just ramble it like a parrot all day where, you gotta know exactly what it is. You gotta have that picture that's done in your mind, and then you can use that affirmation to rewire your mind and cement that picture and the feeling deep into your subconscious mind and watch it unfold for you. That's it, my friend. I hope this helps you. Please comment, let me know what you think, if this was helpful. Please comment, like, subscribe, share this video. If you have other questions, feel free to reach out to me on Facebook, Instagram, or in the comments down below, and I'll be happy to answer your question if I can. Be well, guys. I'll see you in my next video.